Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 14.6 question number 6. Draw an angle of measure of 45 degree and bisect it. With the help of a ruler and protractor we will draw an angle of 45 degree. Let us draw a line here, right? And with the help of protractor, let us take the protractor. We will measure this one. With the help of protractor, we will make an angle of 45 degree. That is 10, 20, 30, 40. This is 45, right? This is 45. Let's take this point as a point here. This is 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 45, right? This is 45 degree angle, right? Now let us draw the angle. Let us draw this angle 45 degree. Draw this angle 45 degree. Right? Now draw this line. Now this is 45 degree angle, right? Now you have to bisect it, right? Now if we draw this line and draw this arrow, then we are getting A, this is B point and this is C point. This is 45 degree and you have to bisect this angle. Therefore you have to take the protractor. You have to take the the compass. You have taken the compass. Let us bisect this one, right? Here you take this pointer at point B, and draw an arc, right? Draw an arc, right? Now take this pointer at this point, and draw another arc here, and take this point here at this point, take this pointer at this point and take another arc here, right? Then we'll get the angle bisector, right? Now draw the line here. Draw this line, right? You get the angle bisector and give the name here. The name is, suppose the name here is D point, right? Therefore we can say that angle ABC is equal to 45 degree, and BD is the angle bisector. BD is the angle bisector. BD is the angle bisector It is the angle bisector of angle ABC. ABC. Therefore, we can say that angle ABD, ABD, this is B, angle ABD is equal to angle DBC, equal to angle DBC, right? This is a solution of question number 6. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.